Welcome, today I am with Citroen C3 2020 and I'll show you how you can connect your iPhone with this car. So at the first we have to grab our iPhone and we have to go for the Bluetooth settings. So we'll go for the settings, select Bluetooth and then click on the switcher to turn on Bluetooth. Next we have to move to our touchscreen, click on the home icon, go for the settings, then pick Bluetooth. Next, we have to click to manage devices and we have to click to add new device. Right now our car is looking for nearby devices, so when you take a look on your iPhone and the available devices list, you will find the T Citroen and we have to select, just tap once. Now be patient, and then we have to click yes to accept pairing on our Citroen and do the same right here on your iPhone. And then click OK right here. We get here this kind of the notification, click accept. As you can see right now our iPhone is successfully connected with our Citroen C3 2020. So as you can see, that's how we can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.